What's up YouTube, it's United Gamer CG. Today I'm going to be reviewing a keyboard. It's the Medion keyboard. It's got a backlight. And that's the package it comes in. And this is the keyboard itself. Nice and heavy. Really heavy keyboard, so that's nice. So it's not going to be sliding around on the table much. And it has 3 different colors you can choose from. It's got the blue, the red. It might look orange to you, but it's actually really red. And this is actually pink. Don't know if you can really tell, but it's pink. That's blue. That's pink. And then you can control how intense the color is by turning this knob right here. And of course, you can turn it off. I'm just going to show you what it looks like in the dark. 1 second. So you can see the buttons really nice. And then there's red. And there's pink. So yeah, if you're getting a LAN party together and you're sitting in a dark basement, it's hard to see your keyboard. You got an advantage over the other ones then. Buttons are nice. So yeah, it's a really good keyboard. Don't know if you can. I don't know if you can find it online because I looked for it and couldn't find anything. Bought this at a local store it was on sale for €30. So yeah, liking it a lot, this keyboard. So wait for my PC to get here, and then we'll test it out on there. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'm out.